Hi, Squadron Leader Prager, Flight Commander Operations, Voyager Force, and I'm the Detachment Commander for Exercise Soaring Falcon in Qatar. So we've had the privilege to work with our Qatari allies, working up their Rafale capability for air-to-air refuelling with the Voyager Tanker. We've had some fantastic moments working with the Rafale pilots as they've landed, integrating and debriefing with our crews, and understanding how well they've done in the air, and developing their capability as air-to-air refuelling receivers has been fantastic. I think the biggest challenge for us has been balancing commitments we've got back in the UK with delivering this capability to our Qatari allies and ensuring that everyone's been getting the support they require. I'd just like to say a big thanks, not only to Squadron back home, but 83AG have been a huge support to us as we've deployed to Qatar, but certainly our support from back home has been excellent too. Thank you.